Have you ever wished your Windows 11 desktop looks as clean and premium as macOS? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to transform Windows 11 into the stunning macOS Golden Gate experience. We'll be adding a beautiful animated dock, a sleek macOS style top bar, elegant widgets, stunning themes, and other visual enhancements that completely change the look and feel of your desktop. The best part? You don't need to install macOS or replace Windows. Everything runs right on Windows 11. So grab a drink, sit back, and let's get started. First of all, we're going to change this wallpaper to a macOS Golden Gate wallpaper, and I'll be using a dynamic wallpaper for this. Head on to your Microsoft Store, search WinDynamic. There you have it. Click on this one, click install. Now give it some time to get installed. Click open, choose OK. Let WinDynamic access your precise location. I'm going to choose no on this one. Now go down here, click on this. Use location to determine sunrise and sunset times. I will type London. Click OK. If you have the correct location, click yes. And here you would see the Golden Gate abstract. Click on this one, then choose apply. Now we have the light and dark wallpaper, and this is called dynamic because it changes, and it changes according to the time in your city, which means during the day you should have the light wallpaper. At night you should have the dark wallpaper. If you don't want to use the dynamic wallpaper, you can simply download the Golden Gate wallpaper and set it as your desktop wallpaper. Now we go on to the next one, which is the macOS dock. To do this, we need to download and install WindHawk. All required links will be provided in the description below. Once you get to the WindHawk website, go onto the download icon here, click on it. Now I'm going to install it straight away. Click on that, minimize it, choose OK. Choose yes when you get that notification. Next. Click finish. Now here in the WindHawk homepage, go on to Explore, locate Windows 11 taskbar styler. Click details, click install, proceed to install it. After installing that, go on to settings and under theme, expand it, scroll down, then choose OS 26 liquid glass, clear Mac dock. Click on that, click save settings. Now we have this transparent macOS dock. I just like the way everything here is organized. But what is a dock without the animation? Now we're going to add animation to it to give some life to the dock. Go on to WindHawk, click explore. Now search for taskbar dock animation. There we have it. Click details, choose install, install it. Now if we go back to the dock, you can see that we have this movement right here, which adds some life to the dock and it makes it look cool. Now we have the Golden Gate wallpaper and the macOS dock, but there is one more animation we can add to this, which is the minimize animation. We're going to get that right in. Go back to WindHawk, go on to explore, search for macOS minimize animation. There you have it. Click details. Go ahead and install it. So once you're done with that, you can already see the animation in effect. This is looking pretty cool. And if you go back to the settings, you can adjust the animation duration. If you want the animation to be faster, you can reduce it to something like 350, then click save settings. You can see the animation is way faster than the default. But if you want it to be slower, you can increase it to numbers above 450. I'm just going to leave it this way and we move on to the next one. For example, if I open this application, now you can see the wallpaper is visible down here. We're going to add a blur effect. So anytime you open a web page or whatnot, you're going to have a blur background here. So head on back to WindHawk, go to explore, search taskbar background helper. There we have it. Click details, choose install, proceed to install it. Let's try it again. We can now see that this background is blur. So every time you open a web page, you won't have the wallpapers looking awkward on the side here. On to the next one. Now, if you open the start menu and your notification center, you would see that they don't match with what is going on here. Now we're going to change that. Head on back to WindHawk, go to explore, and this time we're going to install Windows 11 start menu styler. Click details, proceed to install it. Go on to settings, under theme, expand it right here, scroll down, choose liquid glass, click on that, click save settings. If you open the start menu, now we have this transparent start menu, which goes well with what we have going on down here. We're going to do something similar to the notification sender. Head on back to WindHawk, go to Explore, under Windows 11 Notification Sender styler, click Details, click Install. Now go on to the settings, under Theme, expand it, this time choose Frosty Glass. Click on that, choose Save Settings, minimize it. And now once you go back to the notification sender, you can see that we have something that goes well with the dock. And that is looking pretty cool. Now we're going to set up a macOS style top bar. For this, we're going to start with the installation of Rainmeter. Now go on to Rainmeter official website, click this download button, install it right away. Next, install, choose yes. When you get that notification, finish. We're going to remove the skins, right click on it, click on load skin, right click on here, unload skin, right click on load skin and unload skin. So now we have Rainmeter installed. We're going to install this Rainmeter skin for the top bar. Head on back to the browser and this time I'm going to install Droptop 4. Click download here. You can click on the right side here if you feel like supporting the developer. I'm going to go for the free one. Just click on get Droptop. Because we've just installed Rainmeter, choose I have it already. Click on that. There we have it. Straight up, run the setup. Install it. Click continue. You can choose your language. I'm going to choose English United States. Click continue. Choose desktop only. Now choose your device. I'm going to select laptop. First of all, enable the Celsius. Then type in your city. Click continue. And these are all the home buttons you can choose from. I'm going to select this one, then enable monochrome icon. Enable that, then choose continue. You can select your apps. I'm going to leave it this way for now. Continue. I'll choose macOS-inspired. Click on that. Choose maybe later. Now click finish setup. Now click on this one to get rid of that. Get rid of it. Click on it. All right. Done and good to go. Right click on the dock, go on to adjust size settings, then choose Mini 2. Click on that. The program needs to be restarted to apply your changes. Okay, click on that. Okay, now we have a smaller dock which is looking much better. You can right click on it again, go on to more options, disable show song title on top bar, then enable show center clock. Then click on any empty space here. Now we have the center clock, which makes it look better. If you go onto the right side here, you can actually add on any of these if you want. For example, if you want to add on YouTube, you can just right click on it and that's going to be up there. You can reverse the process to remove it. This is looking good already, but we're not done yet. We're going to the next one. Now we're going to add some widget on here. Head on back to the browser. And for this, go onto this website where we can download the uWidget. On the right side here, click latest and scroll down here. Now choose winx64.zip. Click on that. Head on to the file location. So here's the zip file we just downloaded. Right click on it, select extract all. Click extract. Open this winx64 folder. Double click on uWidget application. Okay, so we're going to start with the general. Click on general, then ensure to enable the run on startup. Click on that. Also on your keyboard, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC. Here in your task manager, go on to startup apps, look for uWidget, ensure it's enabled. If it's not enabled, right click on it and enable it. Okay, I'm going to close this one. Go on to appearance. You want to click on this one on the bottom left, just click on that. Now I'm going to select the required widget. On the left side here, choose the calendar, choose the date and choose month. Click on both and now here we have the month and we have the day. Go on to the clock, then choose the analog 3. Click on that. Go all the way down to weather and choose the temperature. Click on that. I'm going to put it right here. Right click on this calendar, then choose medium. Now we have the required widget. We're going to make some changes. Head on back to the appearance. Disable this monochrome theme. Go to the right side here. Toggle this off. Now it's looking much better. Go down to the font family. You want to change it to Microsoft Yahoo. Click on that. Okay, this is looking much better. Proceed to advanced. Disable snap position. Click on this toggle to disable it. By doing this, you can move this widget around without any issue. You can move them to any position that you want. Now I'm going to reduce the size a little bit. I'm going to change it to 65. Choose 65. Okay, I prefer this one. Now position it nicely. We're done with this part. You can close the settings, click on the X. If you want to get back to the settings, you can right click on here and choose settings. That should open the settings. Now we're going to head on to the next one. And if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, I think this is the best time to do that so you don't miss content like this in the future. So now it looks complete, but the moment you open your File Explorer, obviously the File Explorer is not vibing along with other settings. So we're going to make this one transparent as well. Head on back to WindHawk for the 99th time. Go on to Explore. Now search Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Windows 11 File Explorer Styler. Click Details. Proceed to install it. Once you're done with the installation, go on to Settings. Go on to Theme. Expand it here. Choose Translucent Explorer 11. Then click Save Settings. Now we have this transparency effect just at the top of the File Explorer. So we're going to make this go all the way around. To do that, we're going to head on back to WindHawk again. Go on to Explorer, and this time we're going to search for Translucent Windows. There we have it. Click Details. Install it right here. Now if you head on back to the File Explorer, you can see that we have this translucent effect all the way here. And this is looking pretty cool, but this File Explorer is not screaming macOS. Now we're going to add some macOS theme to give it that macOS feel, okay? To do that, we're going to head on back to WindHawk again. Go on to Explore, Search, Resource, Redirect. There we have it. Click Details, install it. Now go on to Settings. Under the icon theme, go to the right side here to expand it. Here we have tons of themes you can use, but the one we're looking for now is the macOS theme, okay? So scroll down, and here we have some options for macOS. Choose the macOS regular by Niveau. Select that one, then click Save Settings. So now you're going to get this prompt that says for some icons to be updated, the icon cache must be cleared. Here we're going to choose yes and give it some time to do its thing. Now if you go back to the File Explorer, this is more like it. We have this macOS themes, macOS icons right on the File Explorer. That is it about the File Explorer. Now if you take a look at this cursor, it's nothing like macOS. So we're going to change this to a macOS cursor. To do that, head on back to the browser. Like I said earlier, all required links will be in the description. And if you scroll down here, click Latest and scroll down again. Now click on this macOS cursor for Windows 11. Click on that. Now navigate to the file location. So here's the zip file we just downloaded. Just highlight on it, right click on it, then choose Extract All. Click Extract. Open this folder. Here you have options. We're going to choose Tahoe and Newer. Double click on that. Choose Without Shadow. Now go down to Install here. Highlight on it, right click on it, then click Install. Choose Open. After installing the cursor, there's nothing happening, so we can make some changes right in the settings. So click on the Windows icon here, then go on to Mouse Settings. Okay, type Mouse Settings, click on that. Scroll down here to Additional Mouse Settings. In the mouse properties, go on to Pointers. So here is the list of all the cursors currently in this computer. So in your list, look for the macOS Tahoe and Newer. This is the one we just installed. Select that one, then go to the right side here, click Apply, choose Yes. Now we have this macOS cursor which adds that macOS touch to the whole thing. Now if you don't want to use this cursor anymore, you can simply delete it, or you can expand this and choose any cursor that you would like to use in your mouse properties. So I'm just going to maintain this one, then click OK. I'm going to show you how to uninstall everything, then get back to your default setup. So beginning with WindHawk, right click on this Windows icon, go to Installed Apps. So now you're going to search for WindHawk, type WindHawk, there we have it. go to the right side here, click on the three dot, then choose uninstall. Click uninstall again, choose yes when you get that notification. Ensure to check on this box to remove the program settings, then choose uninstall. This will remove WindHawk and all the WindHawk settings. I am not going to uninstall WindHawk because I still need to use it, so I'm going to X on it. For the top bar, you have to uninstall Rainmeter. Type Rainmeter, then do about the same thing, uninstall. Check on this to completely remove all personal settings and files. Then click uninstall. This should remove the top bar and everything that has to do with Rainmeter from your system. That is it about Rainmeter, and you're going to do the same for the WindDynamic. Type WindDynamic, then do about the same thing. So it's just the same process to uninstall all these programs. Okay. Now, as for the uWidget, right click on it, go on to settings, then click on this icon to turn it off. Okay. Once you click on that, now navigate to the file location where it's installed. In my case, it's in the downloads. We can see here the WinX64 folder. This is for the uWidget. So you can proceed to delete this folder. Just go ahead and delete it. The uWidget is actually a portable application, which means it doesn't require any installation. Just turn it off and delete the folder. That's all you have to do. That's going to be all for now. If you find this useful, subscribe to this channel, smash the like button, also share your thoughts right there at the comment section. See you in the next one. Have a nice day. Peace out.